Trisha shot up to cousin so that she own a law firm, making the Billy like Weezy, the fortune wheel got turned.
Yeah. So, welcome to my video again. It's the original Kountry Boi. And yeah man, if you like that video there before, with me I rap and everything and I show you say, yo, man got style and class and everything. Yeah man, I'll be showing the rest of it at the end of the video. Big up to my cousin. You see I'm big her up in her first part. Big up to my cousin for shouting my video out on her Facebook. So yeah man, big up my cousin. And next thing, Miss Anne-Marie McLean or McLean or whatever your name, me tired for type say you win the $400 credit. I just you need to claim it. So come claim it. If you don't claim it by the end of this week, me sorry, Miss Anne-Marie, but me have to go roll it over to the second place winner. You see it? The runner up. So yeah man, original Kountry Boi here. What we are dealing with today? I'll be showing you a different side to Kountry Boi through poems and song. Welcome. Not forget into that now. Who am I? I am a country boy with a talent to entertain. Entertain using my words. Some days I can be an extrovert, and some days I can also be an introvert. And on days like this, when I am an introvert, I find myself under a nice, cool tree, and I write. My soul is searching for food like an hungry child. I did not know my soul had an appetite to feast. Just not like the way I do. My soul don't feast on burgers and fried chicken. That's junk food. For me, writing is an escape. Writing is a way where I can take my soul and put it on a paper using my pen. That is why I love to write. Whenever I just want to shut myself out from the world, this is what I do. I write. Writing is definitely my way of expressing myself. And when I'm in a zone of just wanting to be alone and I'm feeling down, then I write words to uplift myself. Words that I can use to feed my soul. Remember I said before, my soul don't feast on burgers and fried chicken. Then what does my soul eat? Words. I am strong, bold, courageous, is only a by tenacious, innovative, persistent, is a mouthful. Yeah man, these are the words that I would feed my soul. When I tell myself that I am strong and bold, if my energy was down like a molehill, then my energy is definitely back up to the clouds. Whenever I speak these power words, and they are taken down into the stomach of my soul, leaving it only half full, I am rich, competent, and creative. These words leave the mouth of my soul watering for more confident, striking, and assertive. These are the words that feed my soul when it is hungry. These are the words I allow my soul to digest. So yeah man, these are some of the words that I fill my soul up with when I'm down. These are the words I allow my soul to digest, because when I'm feeling down, these are the words that lift me up and bring me up back on my feet, allow me to walk and just be confident and go out through my day feeling like a striker. So these are the words that I feed my soul. and sometimes you're supposed to feed yourself, feed your soul. Yeah, I feed myself with words. Words that fill my soul up with strength to lift my spirit up to the clouds. So everyone out there, if you're seeing or hearing this, take my advice. Soul food is important. So start feeding your soul. Follow your dream, then feed your soul. Follow your dream and feed your soul. Feed your soul. So yeah man, soul food is very important. And when my soul is fed and my spirit is lifted, the only thing left for me to do is to give thanks and be thankful. What am I thankful for? What am I thankful for? This is what I'm thankful for. What am I thankful for? I'm happy that I waked up. Me happy say me have life, make me breakfast. Thank the Most High, He spared me, He's gracious. Being alive is a blessing that we take for granted. I'm happy that I'm in my right mind, not a lunatic, brave and bold arch nemesis. I'm only crazy when I'm with my siblings. Zach, Raj, Ro, we have a good relationship. Yeah, you know how many died in them sleep? You know how much starving cause them didn't eat? And you got a chance to live and your medis stink like the way your breath smell before you brush your teeth. A lot of mindset need cleansing. Maybe you should wash your mindset with some carbolic. I'm not questioning the way of things, but the ungrateful get the favoring. What am I thankful for? So it's like a thing where after I feed my soul, give my soul food, build myself up, make myself feel strong, I have to give thanks after and be thankful for the strength and everything that matters in my life. Yeah. Right. So, I hope everybody learned something, that you must always feed your soul. Whenever you're feeling down, feed your soul with some powerful word. Tell yourself you're strong. Be a them thing, you see me? And I know some did promise, you know, for showing the full performance of Kountry Boi, even though that wasn't my stage name still. Kountry Boi full performance at Family Reunion 2019 was the best ever. Yeah man, if I start reminiscing, I know that might be a next video. Anyways, enjoy, watch it.
Taxi, shout out to Queenie, just to be like them. I'm only dreaming. When reality hit, though, I be up like the ceiling. Shout out to Lexi, doing it as a young girl. And she a boss chick too, now she ain't an intern. Shout out to cousin, so that she own a law firm. Making the Billy like Weezy, the fortune wheel got turned. When are we gonna learn that family matter? Link up while we're living, not only funeral matter. You see the picture I'm painting, if not, I'm not a good artist. I should get this job to doing, a legend in the making. Can't be a queen, and that Lee. Shout out DJ Hunter and Creation for me. Tell them play the popcorn, the we say family. Cause family inside my heart like arteries. Hey, family matter, rock Steve they're the circumference of my circle. Even terrible hurdle, we going over as a group. Like a troop, we rolling together. Better know that youth. Yeah, family matter, rock Steve Cook. 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 Yeah, you good. Pull up.
Alright, everybody, thank you for watching it. If you're seeing this, you made it to the end of my video, and I hope you enjoy my full performance. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy another side to Kountry Boi. and I'll see you in my next video. Anne-Marie, claim your credit now or else it's gonna be given away. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll do this again soon. Kountry Boi. Bong.